Hello. Let us have a third example in lead lean toolpath definition. So here you can see that it is completely negative draft. So what you have to do is we have to tilt like this so that we can able to machine it actually, or you can be able to go for pure horizontal 4-axis, but we are going to tilt some angle. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the same surface finish strategy. So here, select that surface, preview it. So you can see that it is going in a rotated way. So still I want to be completely go into a spiral motion. So, but in tool axis, a little bit, I want to be have to be ensure what is the angle going to be tilt actually. So in this case, I move 70° actually. The reason why is, as I said, this one, the surface is negative. Um, and if you take normal to the surface, it is comes like this. From this, I want to be tilt 70° here like this. Okay, so you can see that once I generate the toolpath, you can able to understand. If you put 0, the tool will be comes like this. From this, I want to be tilt 70° actually. Okay, so you can see that simulator. So this is what I told you. From the normal to the surface is almost here like this. Okay, or maybe you can perpendicular to the surface. From that, I want to tilt 70°. I don't want to be tilt too much so that I can use minimum rotary moments. So here I'm using 70°, and I also use the spiral motion here so that I can able to complete the toolpath actually. So you can see that it always stick to that angle, and you can able to machine it actually. So this is another example where you can use the lead and the lean tool axis definition, and you have to understand it works normal to the surface, and you have to give the degree how much you want to tilt from the surface actually. So from the normal to the surface, how much you want to tilt, whether minus or plus, positive or negative actually. So this is how a lead lean tool axis definition will work. So the next video will cover on the other tool axis definitions.